Hi there, we're going over week 8 spiral math review. I will tell you this week's everything is pretty much the same, but you'll notice that you see the 1000 here on day 2 on your tens. So really, if your kid can remember, your child can remember, just mark out the last 0. Now I've got to take away the comma too because I moved everything over one place value, back one place value. So instead of 1000, I have 100 tens. And everything here is pretty much what we've been looking at. You can, if you want to do a continuation on this, is ask them what's going to come next, because we do move into hundreds there. And here as well, you could say, what would I say next? And keep going if you want to practice, because moving into 1028, 1128, that's a really good skill for them to be able to do. And same here, they can do that. They're skip counting by hundreds. When we have our word form and standard form, I just will remember that we may have to have that hyphen here. So make sure that we have that on both of the word forms. And then when we get to expanded form, this is something that I did not do when I was a kid. So this might be something new if this is your first time for second grader. We've done this in class. So this is a review of that. We're breaking apart the value of each place value. So I'm not putting 2 plus 4 plus 7. This is a common mistake that kids do. I'm actually looking for the value. And that's why previously they asked what is the value of the number that they had underlined. The value of our 2 is 200 plus the 4. This is not a 4, it's 4 tens. And so the value is 40 plus 7 equals 247. Now, I almost messed up here, so that's 169, but 100 plus 60 plus 9. Now, when they put these into standard form, what they do is they put it into the place value. And so 3 hundreds, I'd put the 3 in the hundreds place, 6 tens, 60 is the same as 6 tens, so I'd put the 6 in the tens place, and 4 is 4 ones, so I put the 4 in the ones place, so 364. This one kind of throws you off a little bit if you're looking at it and you're like, wait, what? I have hundreds and now they put a word randomly in there. If your child needs to write the word 70 above it, perfectly fine. Not a problem at all. And so they're really breaking this back down into the standard form. We expand it, but you can put it back into standard form. So remembering if they need to put the place value chart, they can definitely do that. So I will put this where you can see everything to check. And remember to please return this by Friday. Y'all have a great weekend.